today's video is going to be a get ready with me, and I'm going to be using the Naked Heat palette, and I'm really excited because this is the first time that I have used it. I thought it was appropriate for fall time because these are just such fall beautiful warm tone colors, so I'm really excited to try this out today. I am starting with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. Even though I'm going to do my eyes first, I just want this to kind of, I don't know, start with. I still don't know if this really does anything, but it just feels so nice and refreshing and cooling while that dries. I'm going to do my eyes. So I'm going to start by priming my eyelids. This is the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. I'm just going to like bring it up all the way to my brow bone, and I'm going to put a little bit on my lower lash line and in the inner corner, because eyeshadow does, you know, go all over the eye, not just the eyelid. I am going to take the brush that comes with the palette, and I'm going to use Chaser, the second color in, and I'm just going to put that pretty much all over my lid. Sorry that you can see part of my mirror. I just need it kind of closer. I'm blind. This color totally like takes away all of the like veins on my eyelids. I'm also going to be using the Color Switch by Veramona for the first time while I do my makeup to see how it works. This has a little bit of that chaser color on it, so I'm just going to swirl it like it says. Whoa, that's so cool. I recently hauled this in my big Sephora haul. If you have not watched it, I'll link it down below. Yeah, it's clean. That's really cool. Wow. Okay, so now I'm going to take the same brush and go in with Sauced. Put that in my crease as like a transition color. I'm just going to take the other end of the brush and just kind of blend that out. Okay, and then I'm going to take the Morphe MB27. It's just a really little like pencil brush, and I'm going to be taking He Devil and putting it just on my outer V. Okay, and now I'm going to be taking one of the Stila's Magnificent Metals liquid eyeshadow. This one is in Rose Gold Retro, and I'm really excited because I have not used this before. It's really, really pretty. I'm going to apply it with just the brush. Ooh. Okay, here we go. We're trying it out together. Oh, wow. Pretty is that? I only used like 3 colors from this palette, and I already am so in love with it. The colors are so beautiful and they blend so nicely. So now I'm going to do lashes, and I'm trying to decide between these two. They're both from Kiss, and it's the Lash Couture Faux Meat collection. This one is Boudoir, and this one is Little Black Dress. I think I'm going to do Little Black Dress. Okay. And I'm also going to be using the Kiss Lash Couture Lash Glue, if I can get it opened. Just saw that a little tiny lash glue already comes with each lash, so that's good to know. That's really cute. And then to apply them, I like to use a lash like applicator. This one I got from Sephora. I did not curl my lashes. Okay, so while this dries, I'm gonna curl my lashes. Okay, so lashes are on and I really love these. They look very fluttery and beautiful. I have not blended them yet with just a little bit of mascara. I just wanted to say, if you are like a beginner like me with putting on false lashes, I really suggest these lash applicators. They're just really helpful. So now I'm going to blend them a little bit with my They're Real mascara. Okay, I'm going to tight line using the Smashbox Always On Gel Liner in Fishnet. I'm going to prime my face with the Smashbox Photo Finish Pore Minimizing Primer, the purple one. And when I apply this primer, I kind of just press it into my skin rather than like swiping it on. And then I'm going to use my favorite foundation, the It Cosmetics CC Illumination, and I am in Fair, and then I just dot it all over my face. And then the blending starts. If your ears are exposed, please don't forget the ears. Just a little tiny bit, just like a little couple dabs. Now I'm going to use a mixture between the Tarte Shape Tape in Fair Neutral and the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in Vanilla. So with the Tarte Shape Tape, I only use a tiny bit. It's so like concentrated. Uh-oh. And then the Nars one I use for like spots and under my eyes too. Now concealer's on, and now I'm going to take my Laura Mercier translucent powder and set just a little bit under my eyes and where I put some concealer. I still have my beat up Real Techniques setting brushes. If you have this, what I really love that I did when I first got this is, you know, the sticker that covers the holes on the inside, I only cut half of it. So there's still half of a sticker on this still, so only half of the amount comes out, and I cannot tell you how long this has lasted. I think it really does save the product, and you're not like overusing it and wasting it. Setting underneath the eyes. Now that my concealer is done, I like to go in with a little bit of eyeshadow and put some underneath there. Back with the Naked Heat. I have this little tiny eensy weensy Real Techniques brush, the square detailer brush. I mean, there's barely even a brush there, but it just really gets underneath. They're so good. I'm gonna take Sauced. Take just a tiny bit of the He Devil. It's like that reddish, and just put it on the outer. I'm just going to take a little like fluffy brush. This is the Real Techniques shading brush, and just kind of blend that out just a little bit. I'm going to put just a tiny bit of the Benefit Rollerlash on my lower lash. Now I'm going to take my bronzer. I'm using the Hoola Lite. I really, really love this. It's so good. And then I have the Real Techniques Dual Fiber Contour Brush. Okay, now I'm going to use my Too Faced Love Flush Blush in Love Hangover. I have not used this yet. I'm really excited. And taking my Real Techniques blush brush. And then I'm going to use my Nars Translucent Crystal Light Reflecting Setting Powder and just a dual fiber face brush from Real Techniques just to blend everything. Okay, for brows, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Brow Wiz in Blonde. And I just like to kind of flick this and kind of make more hairs than I have. And then I kind of just do a soft line at the bottom and then just kind of flick. This area of like my brow bone got kind of damaged when I was in my car accident, so every time I kind of touch it or like when I do my brows, it feels kind of weird because the nerves are all damaged. That was a happy story. I'm just gonna go over with the Benefit Gimme Brow, and I use number 1. This is just like a mini size of the Gimme Brow. And then I go over them with the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. Okay, the last 3 steps are my favorite: highlight, lipstick, and setting spray. I am going to use for highlight the Dandelion Twinkle. This one is such a natural glow. It's not like a boom highlight. It's honestly just like a kiss of glowness. But I kind of use this as like a highlighting base, and then I put something else on top of it. Brush. I like to use the Morphe M501, and these, it smells so good. Okay, and then to really step it up a notch, I use the Makeup Forever Star Lip Powder in number 13. I also use this for my inner corners, and it's a little tiny pot like this. There's like a little hole in the middle where you can just kind of dip your brush into. I am using the Morphe E36. It's just a really perfect, like, rounded, small brush. When I get it on the brush, I kind of work it into the back of my hand first because it's very, very powdery. Just a little bit. And then I even go underneath the brow. For lip liner, I'm using the Urban Decay Naked. It's just like a nude. And the lipstick I'm using is Sugarcane by Bite, one of my all-time favorites. Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, so I have used this the whole time I was getting ready, and I am so impressed by this. This is so amazing. The color switch by Veramona, it's incredible. It really, really does remove eyeshadow from your brushes or any other like powder from your brush, and so good. I'm so glad I got that. I am so in love with the Stila Magnificent Metals liquid eyeshadow. Oh my gosh, I really want to get some more colors. Okay, so I'm done. I hope you guys like this look that I came up with. I wanted to kind of have like a little fall feel to it. And yeah, so if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't. Click the little bell next to the subscribe button and you'll be notified every single time I upload. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for laughing with me or laughing at me. Either way, I hope you have a good day. Bye! And where's my, where is it? I'm going to do, okay. Okay, the last 3 steps are my favorite. I'm using, ew. It went right in there.